Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to find Capital One account number and routing number. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now to access your routing and account numbers through the mobile app, you need to follow the following instructions. Now through your checking account, first thing you need to do is sign in to the Capital One mobile app. Choose the specific checking account for which you require the routing and account numbers. Navigate to the account details section by scrolling down on the app interface, and to find your account number and routing number, tap on View All. Now through your savings account, sign in into the Capital One mobile app. Now in this case, make sure that you have the latest version. Now select the savings account for which you need the routing and account numbers and access the required information by tapping on the account details section. And that's about it. So this one is actually pretty easy. As long as you have the official Capital One mobile app, you should be able to see your account numbers and routing numbers. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.